Hello traders, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. And I am going to share my view in Reliance stock. I recently watched this stock. This stock is under a selling pressure, so I am going to share this view in Trading View. So I made this video for special for my subscribers, and I am not recommending to buy or sell any stock in this video. This is only for educational purpose. Before entering trade, do your own analysis, and then before analyzing this Reliance stock, you may check my live analysis and how the exact target is predicted and accuracy. You can see my recent trades. You can check it in Trading View website. See this website, I already posted M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. See, this stock is under a selling pressure. This is trend line breakout, very simple. Short side, I told short side of April 29th. See how the stock is reacted. See here, the next day the candle will fall down. It will give good movement. And then I am going to fix a long target for this stock. See, 597.45. Very soon the stock will reach this level because this is under a selling pressure with a trendline breakout. So only I share this view. Okay, I am going to share another view also in Sun Pharma. This stock follows some pattern and then having some buying pressure, so only I give some target lines 1 2 3. See how the target is reached. See, in following days the target will reach. The price breaks above the target line, and then I am going to show you one interesting view in Godrej CP, how exactly the target is reached. See, this is a Godrej CP stock, consumer product, Godrej consumer product. I will share my view. This is a sell side because the trend line is breaked. The trend is in downtrend. I share the view. This is in downtrend. From this level the price may rise, but this candle reached the final target. Exactly, the wick will touch the exact target, and then the next candle will go upside of my resistance or stop loss line. But this line, this candle gives my exact target, and then it reversed. Okay, going to the Reliance stock, and this is very simple analysis, trend analysis and pattern analysis with the help of candlesticks also. See friends, this stock may follow some trend. See, from this level to this level it follows some pattern. See here, the price falls down and it moves up. It forms a double bottom. See, like a double bottom, it's trying to recover from this level, but it will face some trend line resistance, and then the price will fall down. Right now the trend is under a downtrend. How I am saying this is downtrend? See, I am going to view this overall picture. See, from this level to I draw the trend line from this line. From this level I marked. See here, the price is breakout. It will gives clear breakout, and then the price comes down, and it touched again this level. This is a retest, a trend line retest. Trend line breakout is happen and then retest is happen, then the price is ready to go downside. So only I give this level. But in Reliance, what is a special thing? What is a special thing of this stock? This may go under a 370 rupees. It may gives more than 370 rupees. So this is a great movement in Reliance stock. I am posting this view in Trading View also. You can check it out. These levels, from this level, see 1994.50. This is entry price. See, this level is the strongest support. 1616.55, 1616.55 is the strongest support, and the resistance is 2240.15. This is the strongest resistance level. So the stop loss is above this level. The target, the exact target is this level. How the Reliance giving the great movement? Because of this pandemic situation, so it may gives a good target in following days. Wait and see. Before entering trade, do your own analysis, do more paper trade. And then I want to share one thing. The Reliance is a most weightage stock in Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 may also affect when the Reliance is break down in following days. I think very soon the market will go down under a selling pressure. If it is possible, I will make video for Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty also in following days. And thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. I am going to share this view in Trading View website. Just going to publish this idea. Reliance short at sell. Okay, going to select it is a short side. Reliance may go downside in following days. Because trend line is breaker under a strong selling pressure. Okay, I'm going to share the level. Current price current price 1994.50. Stop loss above okay, it's a very big stop loss. I marked the level also. It's a strong resistance level. I'm going to set the target level. 1616.65, 1616.65. Okay, they are the targets in Reliance. Category is trend analysis. Tag for Reliance. Okay, I published this idea in TradingView website. Okay, wait and see if the target is reached or not. And thank you so much for watching this video. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. Thank you so much.